Hello and welcome to this new video on how to Airbnb your home. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So this is the Airbnb interface, and when you are inside the interface of Airbnb, you just have to look on the top right hand side. There will be a switch to hosting button, so you just have to click on it and you will be switched to hosting. And when you are inside the switch to hosting, you just have to look on the top taskbar or navigation bar, and in the middle there will be listings, so you just have to click on listings. And when you're inside the listings, you just have to look on the right hand side. There will be a plus sign, so you just have to click on that plus sign and another page will open right in front of you. And when you're in this page, you just have to click on create a new listing. Just click on it, and after that you just have to click on the get started, that is on the bottom right hand side of the screen. Just click on it and the next interface has been shown to you. Now you just have to tell them more about your place. So currently you just need to click on the next button. Now you need to describe your place. So firstly, I will describe my place, that is my home. So I'll just click on house and press the next button. After that, I need to specify whether I want to rent an entire place, a room or shared room. And just click on an entire place, so continue with next button. After that, you just need to enter your address. You can just use your current location or the address of your home. When you have added the address, you can just click on the next button. Just click on it, and you can also drag the pin to reposition the location if it has been wrong, so you can just reposition to where your location is. And after that, you can just click on the next button. And when you have done that, you just need to specify how many bedrooms are there, how many beds are there, and how many bathrooms are there. After that, you just have to click on the next button. And now you just have to specify how many guest fits comfortably in your place, and you just have to select it. You can decrease or increase the number by just pressing on the plus or minus sign. And after that, you just have to click on the next button and follow through the processes, and you will be able to Airbnb your home. So this is how you can easily Airbnb your home. So if this video has helped you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.